RayNeo Air 3s just changed AI smart glasses forever in 2025. Welcome back to Consumer Choice, where we cover the latest in tech and innovation. This new launch takes smart glasses to the next level. And trust me, you're going to want to see what makes the Air 3s so different. Stick around as we break it all down. And if you want to check it out yourself, the product link is right down in the description. Number 5. EarlySense AI Glasses. Step into the future with the EarlySense AI Glasses, a bold entry into the 2025 smart glasses market that blends affordability with cutting-edge features. These glasses, weighing just under 50 grams, are designed for all-day comfort with a sleek, minimalist frame crafted from lightweight titanium alloy. Powered by a custom AI chipset, they offer seamless integration with smartphones and smart home ecosystems, making them a versatile companion for tech enthusiasts. The standout feature is the AI-driven voice assistant, which supports real-time translation across 12 languages, perfect for travelers or multilingual environments. The 10-megapixel camera captures crisp photos and 1080p video, with electronic stabilization ensuring smooth footage during movement. Gesture-based controls allow users to navigate menus or take calls with simple hand motions, enhancing hands-free usability. The glasses also feature open-ear audio with directional speakers, delivering clear sound without isolating you from your surroundings. With a battery life of up to 7 hours and USB-C fast charging, they're built for daily use. EarlySense's AR overlay provides contextual information, like navigation cues or product details, directly in your field of view. While not as feature-packed as premium competitors, their budget-friendly price around $250 makes them accessible to a wide audience. The glasses support third-party apps, though the ecosystem is still growing. EarlySense AI glasses are a fantastic choice for those dipping their toes into wearable AI tech without breaking the bank. Available in black and silver, they're stylish and functional, though the plastic frame may feel less premium. Ideal for casual users, these glasses signal a promising start for EarlySense in the AI eyewear race. Stay tuned for software updates that could unlock even more potential. Number 4. RayNeo Air 3s. The RayNeo Air 3s are a game-changer in the 2025 smart glasses landscape, offering a compelling mix of style, performance, and immersive AR capabilities. Weighing only 45 grams, these glasses feature a lightweight magnesium alloy frame, making them comfortable for extended wear. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon AR1 Gen 1 chip, they deliver snappy performance for AR applications and AI-driven tasks. The micro OLED display boasts a 1080p resolution per eye, with vibrant colors and a 120Hz refresh rate, ideal for gaming or watching media. The 12-megapixel camera captures sharp photos and 2K videos, with AI-enhanced stabilization for smooth first-person footage. RayNeo's AI assistant, accessible via voice commands, excels at real-time object recognition and text translation, supporting up to 10 languages. The glasses integrate seamlessly with Android and iOS devices, allowing users to control smart home devices or mirror phone screens for a private viewing experience. Open-ear bone conduction speakers provide decent audio quality, though bass is limited compared to premium headphones. With a battery life of 8 hours and an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance, the Air 3s are built for active lifestyles. Electrochromic lenses adjust tint with a tap, adapting to lighting conditions in seconds. Priced at around $350, they strike a balance between affordability and high-end features. While the app ecosystem is robust, some users may find the AR interface slightly complex initially. Available in 3 stylish colors: Orcham Black, Blue, and Translucent White. The RayNeo Air 3s are perfect for tech-savvy users seeking immersive AR without sacrificing comfort or aesthetics. Number 3. Rokid Max. The Rokid Max takes smart glasses to new heights in 2025, combining stunning visuals with powerful AI functionality. At 49 grams, these glasses are remarkably lightweight, featuring a durable yet stylish titanium and nylon frame designed for all-day wear. The micro LED display delivers a crisp 1080p resolution with a 120D field of view, creating an immersive AR experience akin to a 200-inch virtual screen. Powered by a custom AI chip, the Rokid Max excels in real-time translation, object recognition, and automated meeting transcription, making it a productivity powerhouse. The 12MP camera records 2K video at 30 FPS, with improved stabilization for smooth POV footage, ideal for content creators. Voice and gesture controls, paired with the Rokid AI assistant, allow seamless navigation and hands-free operation. The glasses integrate with Rokid's ecosystem, supporting apps for streaming, gaming, and smart home control. Open-ear directional speakers offer clear audio for calls and media, though audiophiles may crave deeper bass. With a battery life of 9 hours and fast USB-C charging, the Rokid Max is built for extended use. Its IP55 rating ensures durability against splashes and dust. Priced at approximately $400, it's a premium option that competes closely with top-tier brands. The AR teleprompter feature is a standout for professionals, displaying scripts or notes discreetly during presentations. Available in black and green, the Rokid Max blends fashion with function, though its App Store could benefit from more third-party support. For those seeking a versatile AR and AI experience, the Rokid Max is a top contender in 2025's smart glasses market. Number 2. Vicor Pro XR. The Vicor Pro XR redefines wearable tech in 2025 with its cutting-edge AR capabilities and sleek design. Weighing just 48 grams, these glasses feature a premium titanium alloy frame, offering durability and comfort for prolonged use. The micro OLED display delivers a stunning 4K resolution per eye, with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits of brightness, ensuring vibrant visuals even in bright sunlight. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 chip, the Vicor Pro XR handles demanding AR applications and gaming with ease. The 13MP camera captures 4K video at 30 FPS, with advanced AI stabilization for professional-grade POV content. The built-in AI assistant supports real-time translation in 15 languages, object identification, and seamless integration with smart home devices. Gesture and voice controls make navigation intuitive, while the open-ear audio system delivers crisp sound, though bass-heavy tracks may lack depth. With a 10-hour battery life and IP54 water resistance, these glasses are built for all-day adventures. Electrochromic lenses adjust tint instantly, enhancing versatility across lighting conditions. Priced at around $450, the Vicor Pro XR offers premium features at a competitive price. Its compatibility with Android, iOS, and PC platforms ensures a broad ecosystem with robust third-party app support. Available in black, silver, and a sleek translucent option, these glasses appeal to both tech enthusiasts and style-conscious users. The Vicor Pro XR's immersive AR workspace, which projects virtual monitors for productivity, sets it apart as a must-have for professionals and creators in 2025. Number 1. XReal One Pro. The XReal One Pro claims the top spot in 2025's smart glasses revolution, setting a new standard for AI and AR integration. Weighing a mere 47 grams, these glasses combine a titanium and carbon fiber frame for unmatched durability and comfort. The micro OLED display offers a breathtaking 4K resolution per eye, with a 130-degree field of view and 2000 nits of brightness, delivering cinema-quality visuals for AR gaming and media. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon XR2 Plus chip, the XReal One Pro handles complex AI tasks and AR rendering effortlessly. Its 16MP camera records 4K video at 60 FPS, with AI-enhanced stabilization and low-light performance, making it a favorite for content creators. The AI assistant, accessible via voice or gesture, supports real-time translation in 20 languages, object recognition, and contextual AR overlays for navigation or shopping. Open-ear spatial audio provides immersive sound, rivaling high-end earbuds, while maintaining environmental awareness. With a 12-hour battery life, IP55 resistance, and USB-C fast charging, these glasses are built for intensive use. Electrochromic lenses with instant tint adjustment enhance adaptability. Priced at $500, the XReal One Pro justifies its cost with unmatched performance and a robust app ecosystem compatible with Android, iOS, and PC. Available in black, gold, and translucent blue, its sleek design appeals to fashion-forward users. The XReal One Pro's ability to project multiple virtual screens for productivity or gaming makes it the ultimate AI smart glasses choice in 2025, redefining how we interact with technology.